This recipe for 3-ingredient cantaloupe ice cream couldn't be easier. All you need are cantaloupes, whipping cream, and powdered sugar. So stay tuned to find out how to put it all together. Cantaloupes are what summer is all about, especially here in Provence, where you find them gorged with hot Mediterranean sunshine. So it almost seems sacrilegious to eat them anyway, but they're fresh, except perhaps with a paper-thin slice of prosciutto or some port wine, which is the way the French eat them. I think, however, after you try this simple cantaloupe ice cream recipe, that you'll feel differently. Start by cutting and removing the seed of 2 cantaloupes. Cut or scoop out the flesh in big chunks. Puree however you can, preferably using a food processor or blender. Here I'm using an immersion blender because that's all I've got in the country. Now chill the pureed cantaloupe in the refrigerator until you're ready for it. Weigh out or measure your other ingredients. You'll need 100 grams or just under a cup of powdered sugar. "25 centiliters or 1 cup of chilled whipping cream, whip the chilled cream. As it begins to stiffen, slowly add the powdered sugar. Pour the whipped cream mixture into the chilled pureed cantaloupe. Next time, for variation, you could add a couple of tablespoons of basil or mint simple syrup to the mix, but try it plain first to see how you like it. Chill again for at least an hour. Okay, so this took a little longer to film than I'd anticipated, but I think before the sun goes down entirely, we're going to get this ice cream done. So, let's get to it. When the mix is well chilled, pour into your ice cream machine and churn as per the maker's instructions. You can serve this cantaloupe ice cream on its own or for a twist on the classic melon au Porto that the French eat at the start of a meal. You can serve this dessert drizzled with a reduction of port wine. And of course you could always serve it up with one of our other Provence-themed ice creams, which are coming soon, so be sure to subscribe so you don't miss them. In the meantime, all likes and comments are greatly appreciated. See you next time.